Okay, last time we got this quadratic equation. Now, ang gagawin natin, kailangan natin isolve to para malaman kung anong sagot sa problem number 3. So, the best way to solve this is to use the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus minus positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, that's the quadratic formula. And to use that, kailangan din natin i-determine ano yung a, ano yung b, at ano yung c. So, a equals negative, no, what? A equals 6, b equals negative 13, and then c equals 6. Okay, so substitute. Equals negative b. So what's negative b? Negative of negative 13 plus minus square root of b squared is negative, what's this, 13 squared minus 4 times a is 6, c is 6, so that is that over 2 times what? 2 times a, 2 times 6. Simplify. So, simplify. Negative of negative 13, that's positive 13. Plus minus. Negative 13 times negative 13 is 169. 169 minus, okay. 4 times 6 is 24 times 6. Actually, mas madali ako. 6 times 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. Times 4 is 144. 144 over 2 times 6 sa denominator, that's 12. So, 13 plus and minus 169 over 144, that's 25, square root of 25, all over 12. Okay. So, equals 13 plus minus 5 over 12. Okay. So, first value of x, wala ng space. Bakit? First value of x, x sub 1. Oops, that's not right. Let's choose yellow, green. X sub 1 equals 13 plus 5 is 18 over 12. 12. So, they're both divisible by 2. So, 18 divided by 2 is 9. 12 divided by 2 is 6. They're both divisible by 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Anong ginawa mo? Wait. Ang ginawa ko, 18 divide ko ng 2, so 9. Yung 12 divide ko ng 2, naging 6, right? Kaya nga 9 over 6. Tapos, yung 9 naman, dinivide ko ulit ng 3. Tapos, yung 6, dinivide ng... So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. At saka, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Yun ang nangyari. So, first value is 3 halves. How about second value? Second one, x sub 2 equals, so 13, yung minus naman yung part, minus. 13 minus 5, 13 minus 5, so 13 minus 5 is 8. Tama ba? 8, tama. Over 12. They're both divisible by 4, actually. So, 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, the answer is 2/3. Anong nangyayari dito? Wala na talagang space. Laguot sila. Okay. So, first value of x is 3 halves. 3 halves. 3 halves. Yung ikatlawa is 2/3. So, anong tanong? Anong hinahanap ng problem? Hinahanap ng problem yung larger. Larger daw. Sinong larger sa kanila? 3 halves or 2/3? Obviously, 3 halves. So, that's the answer. So, the answer is 3 halves. Violet. The larger one is 3 halves. That's the answer. Bakit yun? Kasi siya ang mas malaki. At yun ang hinahanap ng problem. Okay.